Hi guys, I'm back with another easy recipe and today we are making hibiscus tea. This tea is full of antioxidants, helps in weight loss, lowers blood pressure, good for your skin. So let's begin. First we'll take 4 cups of water and we'll boil this water. Now I have taken dry hibiscus flower and we'll wash it first. After washing, we'll pour hot boiling water over it and cover it and let it steep for 20 minutes. If you can't find this dried hibiscus flower, hibiscus tea is also available in tea bag. For 4 cups of water, we'll take half cup of hibiscus flower. For hot tea, I'll take 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 cardamoms and break all the seeds of cardamom with the help of mortar and pestle. Mix and you can enjoy this tea. Now for the iced tea, we'll take chilled hibiscus tea, add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, few drops of lemon, mix and you can enjoy this tea for weight loss. Have this tea once a day and drink with joy. See you next time.